Lying in the Quran is tantamount to kufr. What you're going to find is many a times Allah uses the word kadhib to mean kufr, to show you how kadhib is completely unacceptable in Islam. A Muslim does not lie. A Muslim never lies. And that is why Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, speak the truth even if it kills you. Speak the truth even if it kills you. Never cheat in your exams, never lie about anything, never cheat and lie. Ya ikhwati, today lying has become endemic in our community. It's almost the most easiest thing to do. Lie and cheat and steal. Yeah? As they say, there's a joke that we have, forgive me about this if I'm racially profiling people. I'm not really, I'm just joking. As they say, oh, I've got 2 PhDs, and they say, oh really? From which Pakistani university? They make that joke, yeah? Yeah. In Bangladesh, for example, on the other hand, people are known to lie about their children all the time. Oh, Bhabhi, yes Bhabhi, my son, mashallah, he came first in the exam, and he actually came last. But they lie to an amazing extent. I swear, people lie. I don't know why, but people tend to lie about things and they consider it so easy. But here Allah says, فَكَذَّبْنَا, and we lied. And that is why it is reported in authentic hadith that if a person continues to lie, Rasulullah said, never lie. But if you continue to lie, then it will be written with Allah that you are a liar. And lying guides to fujur, which is transgression, and fujur guides you to Jahannam. Meaning lying will ultimately lead you to Jahannam. So do not lie, even if it causes your death, even if it causes you to be kicked out of this university, never lie. And that is why Umar radiallahu anhu also said, he said, I would rather speak the truth, even if it humbles me. And very rarely does truth ever humble you, always glorifies you. And I would never ever lie, even if it raises me. And very rarely does the lie ever raise you, because very soon people will find out that you're a liar. So be of those people who always speak the truth.